Hey you guys, it is the Saturday before I post and I've been rushing all week in between real life stuff and trying to get content for this channel, and my project was looking great until it wasn't. You guys have all been there, and I didn't have time to buy more materials, and I tried 3 different ways to finish this chair that I wanted to show you guys, and I just needed more time. So today, and I really hate having to postpone regular posting because I know some of you guys out there, I love that you regularly check in with me. It really means so much, especially because I'm such a fledgling new content creator here on YouTube. So stick with me. I'm gonna find a solution and I'll share with you some of the problems and obstacles that I faced because I know that we're all learning together. So next week, I promise you that I will show you the final project that I've been working all week on, and I think it's something that you'll be able to interpret in your own way for your own place. And so I thank you so much for checking in. Okay, bye. Thanks so much for visiting Nutshell Living. Bye.